Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the PDF icons that turn black on your desktop. To get started, simply search for Adobe Acrobat and open it. Now click on Edit, then go to Preferences. Then under Categories, select General and uncheck this option, Enable PDF Thumbnail Previews in Windows Explorer. Click on OK and then Yes. Once done, close Adobe Acrobat, then open your browser and go to this web page. I'll give the link in the video description. Now scroll down the page and download this first file with installer. Once you download it, simply extract the contents of the file. Now inside the extracted files, you will get this application. Simply right click over it and run it as administrator. Click on Next. Make sure both the boxes are checkmarked. Then click on Next and finally install. Once installed, uncheck this box and click on Finish. Now close everything and restart your computer. After restart, open Adobe Acrobat again. Go to Edit, then Preferences. Now simply checkmark this box, Enable PDF Thumbnail Previews in Windows Explorer and click on OK and then Yes. Now once the changes are made, simply close Adobe Acrobat, refresh your desktop and the issue will get resolved. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.